If you've been hurt, whether it's a car wreck or a dog bite or a motorcycle wreck, what are you entitled to under the law? And that's a very good question. What you're entitled to in Washington is for the medical expenses that were caused by this injury, for any lost wages that you incur. If it's your car that's involved, you're entitled to have a car rental or loss of use for the time you can't drive that car, and to have the vehicle repaired or the actual cash value of the vehicle, depending on how much the estimate is. In addition to those things, you're also entitled to things like pain, suffering, disability if it's a long-term injury. If you have scars, you're entitled to compensation for the disfigurement. You're also entitled to what's called a loss of enjoyment of life. And for example, if you've been hurt and you can't engage in your favorite hobby anymore, whether it's gardening, whether it's skiing, riding snowmobiles, if any of those favorite things you used to do to enjoy life away from work you can't do anymore, that's part of what you're entitled to, because your life just isn't the same anymore. And that's what I do, is I try and make sure that all those losses, both the ones that you have a receipt for and for the ones that you can't show a receipt for, are compensated and in a fair amount for you. And that's why you need to give me a call, because I've handled all different kinds of injuries from all different kinds of situations, and I know how to sit down and figure out what I think is probably the most fair amount of compensation for your particular injury.